Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do a quick tutorial for you this morning. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a Google image coloring page, trace it, and then color code it so that it looks how you want it all cut out in your vinyl instead of just black and white as you see on my screen. So this is just a Hello Kitty coloring page that I found on Google and I imported into my studio. First thing I need to do is trace it. So we go to the trace window, trace select area, highlight the image, and 9 times out of 10 when you're tracing, you need to unclick the high pass filter button. You want your entire image, everything that's black, to be in yellow. If it's not, like see how there's a little divot right here, you could push your threshold up. I'm going to leave it, it's fine. But again, if it's not all in yellow, just push your threshold up. If there's too much yellow and you have it looks messy, push your threshold down. So once you're satisfied, hit trace, take the coloring page and just go ahead and delete it. You don't need it. So now you have your image traced, and if we filled it with color, you would see it looks just like the coloring page. So if we cut this out right now, this is exactly how it would look. And to take it off the white, because the white is deceiving, that's how it would look. So whatever background color I put it on, say a piece of wood that was gray, all I would have is the outline in black. Everything of the wood that's painted gray would show up. So how we fix that and color code it is simple. We highlight our image, right click, release compound path. Now you can see everything is separated. Again, 9 times out of 10, the back image, the one all the way in the back, is black. Now you don't have to do this, but I like to put the black in there because it just ties in these images together. And with Hello Kitty, you kind of need it because of her whiskers. So her face is white, so we're going to highlight her face, her eyes because they're black, the circle right here, the first one, because it's going to show the black in the background. Her hands are white, so we're going to highlight those, and her feet are white, so we're going to highlight those. Oh, and her ear because it's separated. So once we have them all highlighted, we're going to right click, make compound path, and we're going to tell the program to make all those pieces white. So when we add them on top of the black, they pop. You can use your arrow key to line it up properly. So this would just be like layering vinyl after it's cut. So with her bow, we're going to highlight it all, right click, make compound path, and make it the color you want. I'm going to go with hot pink. And then we place that where it goes. Her nose is yellow, so you don't even have to do anything, just highlight it, make it yellow, and bring it over. Now, for me, there's a lot of black, so I'm just going to make her nose a little bigger and use my arrow keys to line it up. And her outfit, right click, make compound path, and I'm going to make her outfit a light lavender color. I'm going to move that in. Again, use your arrow keys to put it on there properly. The flower, I'm going to make it, highlight that, and the first dot, and click the leaf here. Make compound path, I will make the flower red. Now had I thought about it, I would have made this yellow with her nose, but it's okay. If you don't do that, you can just click it and then click the yellow nose and just group them. That way they move as one piece. So when you're cutting it, they're already together. And then I'm going to have the stem be a green. Now, if I were to cut it, she would be cut in separate pieces, and I would layer her one on top of each other, starting with the black, and then I'd put her on, say, a tumbler cup for my daughter with her name. What I like to do after I get it all done is highlight all of it and group it so that it moves as one piece, and then I can size it all together without messing any proportions up. And that's how you take a coloring page and turn it into a cut file and separate it so that it is color coded. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And as always, thanks for watching.